I was special. I give all my special away to a loser.
Closing my YouTube channel.
Make me go so loco, loco, make me go crazy. We would make a beautiful baby. Knock on wood, is you trying to date me? Is it?
Was he stuck before? Baby boy, I'm gonna disturb you now. If you thought I was stuck before, baby girl, I'm gonna disturb you now. Disturb you. Disturb you. Disturb you. Disturb.
So hi guys, I hope you guys are doing fine. I don't know whether to vlog from this side or maybe I should vlog from this side. But let me confirm. I'll continue talking just now. I went to vlog, but this man keeps talking. Okay, I want to like vlog, but this man keeps talking, so I'll be trying to wait for him to finish like talking. So I'm just settling for this angle only because it's very comfortable. I just realized I did not say hi. Hi guys, welcome to another one of my cute videos. If you're new here, my name is Melanie. If you're a new part of the family, I love you guys so much. This is a whole self-care vlog, a maintenance vlog, a maintenance everything, mind, body, spirit, or everything. That's what we're literally going to be doing. I hope you guys stay tuned in this vlog, that you guys can be part of the whole vlog. Yeah, I know you guys are gonna love it. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna do is do my hairstyle that I'm about to do, guys. I've never done such a hairstyle, like either this side or this side. I've never done any hairstyle like that. That's one thing I know. So I'm looking forward to seeing how my hair will look. Let's go do our hair. Then next, I think I'm gonna update you guys on what's gonna be next. I hope you guys are enjoying the Vlogtober thing, and I'm also enjoying vlogging for you guys. I think I'll talk to you guys when my hair is done. So firstly, I also carried like some water. This is what our maintenance is also about. Actually, me taking care of myself. And if I finish my hair appointment very early, I intend on going to the gym. Then I'm going to the gym, and I've been enjoying going to the gym. Afterwards, if I finish early, I'm also going to go do my lashes, see how the hair thing goes. Then afterwards, I will keep you guys posted. I'll see you guys. I might just blab. I think I'll see you guys later when I'm either doing my hair or when I'm done with my hair. I hope you guys are doing fine. I'm now in the car. I'm done doing my lashes. I think you guys can see. Now heading home. Yeah, I did my lashes, but there's something that I noticed today that has got me worried a little bit. The fact that my lashes are looking very short, have gaps, and it's got me a little bit worried. And I talked to the lady, you have to find a way of trying to grow your natural lashes and stuff, which I think I have to do, because the last time I did my lashes and my lashes came out, I looked bored. I looked like a gecko. But for real, I really look like a gecko, and I did not like that. I was like, why do my lashes are coming out, but why do they have to come out with my original lashes? So I felt like there were two things involved. By the way, pardon me if my eyes are red from doing my lashes, and you guys know that whole thing. I can still feel the glue, like it's still hitting on my eyes. Asked if it's possible for me to start such a thing even whilst I'm having lash like these ones on. She was like, there's nothing wrong, I can go ahead and do that, but it's quite expensive. She was showing me some place she was recommending where somebody went and the person was seeing results in like a month. If you're somebody that's also trying to grow your natural lashes, I think I would highly recommend that, because guys, in as much as we get to do these things like the makeup, the wigs, the hair, the whatever, the nails, it's very important to take good care of my natural self. Even if my skin is really struggling, like my skin and I, we fight, we don't get along. It's like we're always struggling here and there. Anyway, yeah, that's not what we're talking about, but yeah, I'm gonna do that for my lashes. Now I'm heading home, so I guess I'm gonna talk to you guys when I head home, guys. My friend's place, guys, I literally slept there. That's why I have like the same clothes and all that stuff, and had a great time. It was all good vibes. I think one thing I'm very appreciative of, guys, is the time we have with our friends. Like, just laugh, like they just make you forget your problems, just make you realize that there's more to life. There's just a healing part about it that I cannot seem to explain, and that's how I felt yesterday, or that's how I felt today and yesterday. Maybe because I'm usually alone, you know, and my intention was not to sleep there, but they just like forced me, and I love that. I felt good. I felt good being in such an environment. So let me go home now. I'll talk to you guys when I reach home. And water has become so cold, but it's okay. It's okay. Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Today is literally the same day. I get ready. I want to go out on a date with, can you guess? Like, you guess who I'm gonna date with. the girl wants to start doing her makeup. That's me, guys, but I use gel, active hair gel, for my brows. So this is actually the self-care vlog on this video. I told you guys we're going to be doing maintenance on everything. After I came back, I think I was tired. I told you guys that I literally spent the day that side. I was kind of tired, but when I came, my skin, guys, is really going through the waist right now. I can't wait for this phase to pass. Anyway, yeah, so when I came back, I started budgeting. I think I told you guys that I'm trying to work on my finances as well. I've been very, very careless with how I deal with my finances. So I'm to see if I can work on that. I know it's not going to be something I'm going to like change just now, but trying to budget how much my groceries are going to cost. I put money aside for things like electricity. I just put that, and I want to see if I can stick to that, because I've actually tried budgeting before. It's not like it's my first time. I've tried budgeting before, but I find myself not sticking to what I told myself I was supposed to do. Right now, I've made a strict budget. I'll put money for food, I'll put money for groceries, put money for electricity, money for data. I should spend on data the whole of this month. Just made a budget, and I think I feel good, because even as I'm doing certain things right now, I'm kind of seeing where my money is going. I'm just praying for God to give me the strength to stick to this routine, to stick to this budget, and to stick to this, because there are so many times when I've made such steps in my life, but I won't even stick to it. So I'm kind of not happy about that. So right now, I'm happy about the step that I've made, but I'll be excited after I finish the month. If I finish the month, guys, and I stick to this budget, I'm getting myself a gift. I actually saw something like that on Instagram, like me getting myself a gift for any accomplishment I get. If I finish this part, then I will continue talking to you guys just now. Hold on a minute. I'll be literally already dressed up right now. It's just my makeup. Guys, yeah, today I was feeling like closing my YouTube channel. I was really feeling like closing my YouTube channel. It's like I uploaded one of my videos that you guys have probably watched already, and I put a lot of effort in that video. Like, to be very honest with you guys, there's one thing that I never thought was effort, was making content. I thought like, because it was for fun, I never felt like it was effort, guys. When I realized how much sometimes I take a lot of time making some of my content, like videos, especially YouTube. Okay, right now I'm mainly talking about YouTube, not any other platform. The main thing is that I was so discouraged. Like, when I saw that video, the results and all that stuff, guys, I felt so discouraged. Like, I was just like, I should quit this thing. Just talk about closing my YouTube channel, maybe just deleting everything, and maybe just stopping YouTube. I really felt like that, I'm not gonna lie, and this is me literally being so transparent. And I went on YouTube, and then I saw some fellow YouTuber. She's a small YouTuber. I consider myself as a small YouTuber because I don't think I have enough engagement. She posted that on her community thing, saying that sometimes she feels like quitting YouTube. She puts a lot of work in like creating her content, editing. She literally puts a lot of time aside just to edit her videos, and that she doesn't know why sometimes it's like the views that she was opening up in her community. Like, people were just encouraging her. I won't lie, I'm so grateful for the people that commented on her account, because I feel like that's where I just got some motivation today. That's what's even giving me the motivation to record this video. I felt so drained. I was just like, I don't think I'm going to record today. I'll record whenever I feel like my spirit is back. But right now, guys, I was so discouraged. Like, even this vlog, even now as I'm getting ready, I was like, is there even need for me to record? Guys, when you see some of these videos, if you see somebody in one position like this, you see them show you the angle on top, the back view, the side view, all that is effort. And I feel like I try to be creative sometimes. I'll show you guys different angles. I think this is something I know for myself. Nobody even has to like tell me. I've been trying to see if I can also work on my quality. There are some of my videos where I could tell, like, okay, no, they would look white, they would be blurry, they wouldn't just be clear. Of late, I've been trying to be very attentive, like cleaning my lens and all that stuff, and I think I'm putting in effort. It's not like giving us the best results, but for what I have, what I own right now, with the phone that I have, one ring like that I own, I feel like I'm trying my best, but when I saw that, it really discouraged me, guys. Even when I saw the comment where somebody was like, no, just do it for fun, don't do it for the money. Honestly, when I'm doing YouTube right now, guys, I'm thinking about money. I don't even feel like my account is going to reach that point where I'll be making money. I'm not going to speak negativity. I'm going to manifest positivity quite rare, but my mind is not in that space. This is literally me being so honest. I'm not even thinking about the money. Only thing I'm just thinking about is results. Let me see results, especially in terms of like engagement. The only thing, at least. I'm even thinking about like making money. I feel like for me, that's literally the least thing on my mind. Not really big on the subscribing part, but I really want you guys to subscribe. Please don't get that wrong. But what I'm trying to say is that sometimes when I post a video, I'm looking at the subscribers that I have at that particular moment. So I'm trying to work with those subscribers you get. And you'll find, guys, the views are like so low, and I'm just like, maybe this is not for me. Maybe I enjoy doing it, but maybe it's not for me. Because I heard that there's sometimes when we may like things, but maybe they're not for us. Maybe they're just for certain people. People that make their YouTube channels, guys. And in one day, in a month, their account has literally blown up. And so you feel like, okay, maybe this was literally meant for them. Some of us, guys, will have to hustle through the parts and the raps and the whatever just to get... I'm reaching a point where sometimes I get to feel like if something is giving me second thoughts, I've reached a point where I'm starting to feel like maybe it's not for me. I don't a mindset that I've been trying to like put on others. I don't want to apply to YouTube because I know that in as much as my account is not so good, but I know that in some way it's way better than other accounts as well. So what would those people say if I'm also going to feel that way? Let me not think about it, but I just wanted to like just open up to you guys and tell you guys that that's how I was feeling today. It was so intense. Like, guys, just like this YouTube channel, you guys are not going to see it. Just going to find all the videos I've gone. That's a problem. When I start talking to you guys, focusing is very hard. Okay, let me just tell you guys, right now I'm going on a date. I'm going on a date with myself. I'm taking myself out on a date. Myself on a solo date. Earlier I was budgeting. So this side I just want to see if I can journal, and to see if I can put certain goals and put certain habits that I can try to arrange. I think that's what my solo date is about. It's like I'm going to have a meeting with myself. What I should focus on would be like how I just want to have a meeting with myself, guys. Let me just say that everything, like how often I should journal, maybe how often I should work out in the week, how I should do my week planning. I just want to have, yeah, I'm really trying my best, guys, to become a better version. I don't want to keep playing. We are growing, so just become very more intentional with myself. Let me finish what I'm doing. I will talk to you guys later. So hey guys, your girl is done. And yeah, we're about to start off. I look pretty. There's a lot of strange calls. Like, I'm always receiving strange calls. I don't know why. Is there anything that happened that maybe somebody used my number or something? Like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is just show you guys a text that I received just now. Tell me my friends are sweet without telling me my friends are sweet. I got a text from Erica. What do you want for your birthday? And guys, my birthday is due over 4 weeks. A month before asking you what you want. Like, it's so sweet. It shows that they're thinking about me, and I'm so grateful to guys. I'm so thankful. I really appreciate her so much. People that really think about me a lot, guys. Thank you so much. You guys mean a lot to me. You guys are such a blessing to my life. Hi guys. Okay, so hi guys, how are you guys doing? I'm now at the place. I hope you guys can get me. Guys, they gave me a private room all to myself. Right now I literally have this whole space to myself. And I feel so good about it because I lost the curtain for me. And I'm here by myself and I feel so good. I really feel so good. So yeah, that's just an update. Right now I've already made my order. I've ordered my food. I'm looking forward to for the food to come so that I can give you guys my review and how the food is going to be like. I carried my laptop. I said this is a meeting from me to me. My cock here. This is the room. I kind of get the aesthetic. I hope that music won't give me copyright. That's my laptop there. The curtain is. I think you guys can see. Yeah, then there's that whole screen like area. That's where everybody else is. Let me show you guys where everybody else is.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better if I give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better if I give all.
Now on my way, going back home. So yeah guys, I think bye. I talk to you guys later. Bye bye. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Today is the next day in the vlog, and guys, honestly, I'm starting to feel like this is a failed maintenance vlog. Most cases when you're like trying to make a YouTube video, you kind of have a plan on how you want the video to come out, but from the clips that I have taken, this is not how I wanted it to come out. So I think we'll just have it as a regular vlog, okay? And I'm kind of sad about it because I had a very nice vision when I thought of this vlog, but now it's just going everywhere. I haven't done my nails, so let me tell you, yeah, initially I got person nails because I wanted to attempt to do the nails myself. Okay guys, the nails, it's to come, the package was empty, like there was literally nothing. And that's the problem with China. Sometimes when they're making their deliveries, oh my god, they can just do a hala, like without you even like. Phone is kind of having storage issues right now, so this is one problem I have sometimes. But tomorrow something has actually like come up. I'm supposed to go to a different city and I'm going to sleep there just for fun, honestly, just for fun. Yeah, I can finish this vlog and start editing, but now the fact that I'm going tomorrow, so see you guys later whenever I talk to you guys. For now, it's bye and see you guys later. Mwah.